Brittany, what do you know about HIV and AIDS?
All I know is that it's like a disease that attacks your white blood cells, but that's all I know.
Oh, okay.
Do you think HIV/AIDS is most prominent? Africa. How do you think HIV/AIDS is spread in most cases?
Sex? What's the difference between HIV and AIDS?
I don't know. I think HIV is one of those, what's that thing called when, I don't know what it is, but AIDS is like the worst kind, I think. And it can kill you, and people in Africa have it. Okay. Did you know 1 out of every 4 people has AIDS or HIV and they don't even know it? Like him.
AIDS.
Hello, okay, today we're going to be discussing HIV and AIDS. And HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, and AIDS is Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome.
Because of the cafeteria food. Also, I lost a lot of weight. I didn't know why. And then after a while, I just started getting confused more and more often, and I was always tired. I would wake up in the middle of the night with night sweat. And I lost my appetite more and more. And then I continued to lose more and more weight. Then I found these little bumps. I don't know, they were under my armpits and in my mouth. That's when I knew I had to see a doctor.
And those things were called lymph nodes, right?
Well, that's what my doctor told me. He said those were the first signs of HIV infections. I was really scared. Now I'm in one of the final stages before I get AIDS. I'm waking up in the night with soaking night sweats. You'd think I peed in my pants. And then I have these dry coughs and shortness of breath. I have headaches.
HIV and AIDS.
HIV is like the first stage of it, and AIDS develops from that.
How can you help with HIV or AIDS?
I can help by staying abstinent or getting tested.
How can you help with HIV or AIDS?
I can donate to profitable organizations, such as going to National AIDS Strategy or AIDS.gov. There are many carriers and methods of transmission, which basically is the ways that HIV is spread. In most teenagers and adults, it's spread by sexual interaction. However, men are more at risk to catch this disease if they're having sexual interactions with another male. In some children, and most children, AIDS is acquired from their mom, whenever they're in the mother's womb, or are on the birth canal. They can catch the disease from her and be born with it, and that's called vertical transmission. And even some of the traces of the disease have been found in breast milk as well. But back to the children ones, not all of them get it. You can, the doctors can sometimes give you medication to take during your pregnancy to keep the baby clean. And then blood contamination is another way. And it's through needles or even piercings and tattoos. If it's not clean, you can catch it that way too. I messed up on contamination.